Hi, my name is Galvin from Vince Automotive Group. Welcome to our second episode of our Servicing and Maintenance series. In this episode, please allow me to share with you what other things are being done to your car during the servicing process. So after the engine oil is replaced and other filters changed, what our mechanics will do is to do a check on your tyres. So first of all, they will physically check and take a look at the tread depth of the tyres, and also to do a physical feel on the surface of the tyres to see if there's any uneven bumps. So if these two are okay, the next thing that they will do is to rotate the tyres. And by rotating the tyres, we basically mean that we swap the tyres from the front and the back to each other. This is to ensure that there's even wear for both sides of the tyres. During the checks, when we find that there's any uneven wear on the tyres, we will suggest to our clients to perform an alignment test. Next, our mechanics will perform checks on the brakes. So when we check the brakes, first of all, we check the thickness of the brake pads physically. If the brake pads are too worn out, we'll suggest to our client to replace a new set of brake pads. So besides the brake pads, we also take a look at the disc rotors to see if they are worn out or not. So besides checking the grooves of the tyre, you should also check that the air pressure of your tyres is at the recommended level. This will ensure that you get the optimum performance for your tyres throughout its lifespan. Now that you know what actually goes on behind the scenes at the workshop, we hope that you get more peace of mind the next time you come and do servicing with us. So stay tuned to the next episode, where we will talk about how do you actually go about booking your servicing at Vince Automotive Group. See you soon.